It's gonna be the Slash 4x4 on 8S. Probably gonna be a disaster, but let's see. It's connected. Hit track, hit start. It's my road to 150. So let's see. It's gonna be like an easy pull because I don't know what this car be doing. Huh? All right, get out and pay attention. Oh yeah, them tires look slippery. Look at that. Warm them tires up a little bit. Alright. Let's take it down there. Are you paying attention? Be careful, you gotta be able to see this car too.
Your car?
Yeah, just in case it lose control, it don't hit you in the head. That's why you should be on that side of the car. Oh. I have no idea what this car gonna do. This car be doing what it wanna do. Be careful, you hitting me.
No, we don't need a part two.
You bumping the car into me.
Oh.
All right, see if I can turn it around. All right, it looks straight. Huh? It looks straight. All right, let's take our time and bring it down. We ain't gonna do nothing crazy. Did it stop in time? Shit. It was pulling right bad. Let's see if I can turn it around. Turn around, come back. I made it back in one piece. All right, let's see what this got me. Stop. Read. 137. That's the fastest this car ever went. I tied my PB on this car. 137. Huh? 137. So we're gonna call it good with this car and move on to the next car. So I'm at 137. 8S pass. I got some Ace Basher batteries in it. Castle 1721, 2400 kV, XLX2, and that was 36 and 78 feet, 3,678 feet. Thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. 137, tied my PB, road to 150. All right.